5 years from now, there will be two kinds of people in India. The ones who know how to use AI and the ones who got left behind. We started Future Minds Institute to make sure as many as possible end up in the first group. Let me tell you how this actually began, because it didn't start as a company, it started as a community. A while back, we were running AI events across Bengaluru. Meetups, sessions, conversations, basically bringing people together to figure out what this technology actually meant. And sitting in those rooms, watching people react to what AI could already do, something became very clear to me. This wasn't a trend and this wasn't a hype that would fade in 6 months. I knew that this was going to change everything. How we work, how we learn, how businesses run, and the gap between who understood it and people who didn't was about to become the biggest gap of our generation. So I asked this simple question. If this is coming for all of us, who is actually teaching people how to use it? Not the theory, but the practical hands-on stuff. And the honest answer was almost no one. So we just started. We put together a workshop for our own community first. Nothing fancy, just real tools, real use cases, things people could use the very next morning. And the response genuinely surprised me. People didn't just like it, they walked out feeling like something had clicked, like they had been handed a head start. Then something happened that told me we were onto something bigger. The founders in our community came to us and said, "This was great for me, Amrit. Now, can you do this for my whole company? And I think my team needs this." That was the moment Future Minds Institute became what it is today. So now, we work on both sides of the gap. For individuals, students, professionals, creators, we teach AI skills that actually move the needle in your studies, your work, your career. And for businesses, we go inside companies and train their entire teams. So AI doesn't just sit in strategy deck, it actually changes how the work gets done. We have been doing this since early. Back when most people were still asking if AI mattered, we already were teaching how to use it. And because of the work we do with founders, we are deeply embedded into the startup ecosystem here in India and globally. We run events and programs as a part of Women in Product India community that keeps this work grounded in real people with real problems. Here is what I actually believe, and it's why we do this. AI is going to be the future of India. Not someday, but now. The countries and the people who learn to use it early are going to have an advantage that compounds every single year. And I don't want that advantage to belong only to the people in big cities, companies, or people who already had an early head start. I want it to belong to everyone who is willing to learn. That's the whole mission, guys. And it is very simple one. Make India AI ready. One individual at a time, one business at a time. One student who uses AI to learn faster, one small business owner who saves 10 hours every week, and one team that suddenly works smarter. Multiply that across a country of billion people and you don't just change careers, you change what India is capable of. So that's what this channel is for. Every week we are going to show you exactly how to use AI, the tools, the prompts, the workflows in plain, practical, no jargon terms. Whether you're a student trying to study smarter, or a professional trying to get ahead in your career, or a business owner trying to grow, there's going to be something here for you. No hype, no fear, just real skills that you can start using the same day. If you believe, like we do, that India can be AI ready, then this channel is for you. Hit the subscribe button and let's learn this together. Because the future isn't something that happens to us, it is something that we build. Welcome to Future Minds Institute, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.